What is a private hospital? A private hospital is one which is owned and governed by a person or many people who are managing the whole finances on their own. Not just finances, even the whole funds process and the administration, staff, all the doctors, everything is under control of that private body. It has been seen that most of the people go for private hospitals and they prefer them over any other option. This might be due to the facilities provided and the perception that all the equipment used are reliable, of good quality, and better. However, the fact of private hospitals being much more expensive and costly can also not be denied. The number of facilities and the kind of individual care and attention given to the patient in a private hospital is undeniable. These little yet highly paying services provided in a private hospital makes it the first choice for any patient who can afford the price. Since no one wants to risk their lives and get into more trouble caused by even the slightest of negligence on the part of treatment, private hospitals remain to be popular.